Okay, so I've got the flashers and you can see my test setup here. This is the power supply coming to the switch bank, which I'll change that when I put it in so that most of the switches are separately fused. But for the purpose of testing, this is good. And I've got the flashers going, and this is the flasher button, and this is the button to momentarily change the flasher pattern. Took me a little bit to find out and dig into it to find out that that's a negative push or a negative 12 volt momentary switch. So that took a while to figure out, but once I got it figured out, it works the way it's supposed to. Bye.